In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Facebook or Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. If you need to fix a caption, update wording, or make a quick change to a post that's already been published, Meta Business Suite gives you a simple way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can find the post you want and make your edits without confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to the Content section. This is where your published and scheduled posts are organized, so it's the right place to manage existing content for both Facebook and Instagram. Once you're in Content, you'll be able to browse through your posts and narrow things down if needed. Next, create a filter. This step is helpful because it makes it easier to locate the exact post you want to edit, especially if you manage a lot of content across multiple platforms. You can use the filter to sort through your published posts and reduce clutter on the screen. Taking a moment here can save time and help you avoid opening the wrong post. After that, find the post you want to update and click on the three-dot menu on that post. This menu usually contains the available actions for that piece of content. If you don't immediately see the option you need, make sure you've selected the correct post and that you're viewing it from the published content area. From the menu, click Edit Post. This will open the post in the editing view where you can update the content. Depending on the type of post, you may be able to change the caption, text, or other editable elements. Keep in mind that some post components may have limitations after publishing, so the available options can vary slightly. Now, make the necessary adjustments. Take your time and review everything carefully before moving on. This is a good moment to double-check spelling, links, formattings, and overall clarity. If the post appears on more than one platform, it's also smart to make sure the wording still fits both Facebook and Instagram naturally. Once your edits are complete, click Publish. This will apply the updated version of the post. After publishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the live post and confirm that your changes appear the way you expected. And that's how to edit a Facebook or Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.